Want to track every dollar you spend? Do this, real talk. 3 steps, 5 minutes a day will give you total control. Step 1, capture everything. Snap receipts or enable automatic transaction sync in an app. If it exists, record it. Step 2, categorize and rename. Don't leave miscellaneous. Call it work, lunch, or subscription music so that your patterns appear. Step 3, do a 2-minute daily check. Fix mistakes, tag cash. Once a week, reconcile with your bank so nothing slips. Bonus, try zero-based budgeting. Set spending limits and automate bills so surprises stop. Track every dollar for 1 week. You'll be shocked. Like this video for more quick money tips.